Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a super exclusive and 3D Android launcher. So it's the most famous called Go Launcher, the super launcher. It will look like this, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So download the Go Launcher as 3D theme and wall from the Play Store. It's one of the super high graphics and effect launcher. You can see how it's look like. This is the first impression of this launcher with a super 3D effects. So you have a lot of widgets and effects and theme store. You can just see how the menu opens. So I'm just going to show how it's look like. It's actually super fast. You have a theme store here. You have a lot of future themes and also 3D themes and top free themes, and also it has a paid theme. So you have a lot of theme section here, and also just long press on it and you have an option for edit, and here you can just add the widget directly by clicking on the widgets. Just click on the widget. You have a lot of other widgets too, and you have a screen and app driver effect. There is a lot of 3D effects. You can see, just apply and just preview it, and you can just directly see how it's look like. So you have a lot of 3D effects on the home page, which brings and have a unique feature of this launcher as I talking. So it's have a super effects. You can see how it's look like, and also there is a lot of as I said, effects for app driver and screen. So it's all our 3D effect, and everything was free and some of was paid for. It's for premium thing. So you can just look at those icons. You can just change the icons, wallpapers, and also there is a lot of Go settings like dock bar changes, indicator changes, and also app driver changes. You can just click on this for boosting your launcher by just clicking. It's a super featured launcher. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.